Hello guys and welcome back. So now in this video we will add the damage indicator. So for that, right here in the player UI, what we will do, we will create a UI panel. Let's name this panel as damage indicator, and then we will change the source image of this panel. So for that, if we click on this GUI parts right here, we will be adding this image to the panel. So drag and drop this right here in the source image. As you can see, whenever the player take damage, we will show this damage indicator like this. Okay, you can change the source image if you want. You can add some other blood effect image, okay, but I will use this one. And also let's change the color of it to red and make the alpha value of this color 100, and that will be it. Then just simply deactivate this damage indicator and open up the play script on the top right here. After this energy bar, we will add a reference to the damage indicator. So we will say public game object damage indicator. Then let's scroll down to the bottom. After this set energy method, we will create another enumerator type method by the name of show damage, and in here we will say damage indicator dot set active, set it to true, and then after 0.2 seconds we will set it to false. So for that, we will say yield return new, wait for seconds, and it will be 0.2f. Then we will deactivate the damage indicator. So we will say damage indicator dot set active, set it to false. That is it. Then right here, whenever the player takes damage, we will show this indicator. So after, when we decrease the health and also decrease the health bar slider, right here we will say start coroutine, and in here we will pass the show damage method, and that is it. Then if we save the script and get back to Unity, click on the player right here, we need to provide the damage indicator. So inside the player UI, drag and drop this damage indicator right there, okay, and make sure that you turn it off by default. Okay, then let's play the game. Now if we get closer to the knight, as you can see, whenever the knight hits the player, it will show the damage indicator like this. Okay, you can increase or decrease the time for the damage indicator. If you want to show the damage indicator for a bit longer, then change this to 1 second and you will be good to go. So now with the damage indicator added, let's end this video right here.